This is going to be one of the future cryptocurrencies of the world, without a doubt. And if you have not yet invested in this project, I don't know what you're doing. Some people love it, some people hate it. In this video, we are going to delve into exactly why I personally believe that XRP will be a crazy bullish coin, and I'm not the only one. So let's go and take a deep dive into this video. Thank you for being here with me. Welcome back to the Crypto Bliss Show. I'm Kiara DeCass. Let's rock onto this video as fast as we can, you beautiful community. So, incredible news here all around. We all know what XRP is. Ripple, they've been going through a court case for 3 years where the SEC accused them of being a security, and they have now officially been cleared of being a security. So, they had a huge pump, but then there was an erase of that pump, but we're going to have a little bit of a look at that in a short little moment. So, currently, XRP is ranked 5th on CoinGecko charts. We know its logo, its ticker, and its name, XRP, or its token name is XRP. The company name is Ripple. 0.50 cents. It's basically 50 cents or 51 cents today. It's up 3.1%. I actually got into a long position earlier this morning. It's on 573,000 people's watch list with a market cap of 27 billion and 905.8 million in trading volume. It's got a 51 billion fully diluted valuation. Maximum supply of coins are 100 billion. Total supply is just under 100 billion, and circulating is 53.175 billion coins, guys. So as you can see, here was the previous all-time high market cap, so 131.5 billion. Keep that in mind when I talk to you about this video. You can see how we've had massive spike jumps. Boom, spike jump, and then collapse pretty much to where it broke out. Boom, broke out, jump, and then collapsed to where it was. And then this was the court case ruling. So the court case ruling was a 50-50. The SEC won 50% and Ripple won 50%. And basically that showed us that the Ripple isn't out of it just yet. They need a lot. They still need to do a bit of work there. So right now, if you guys go and have a look, its all-time high was $3.40, and we're down 85% from that. But we are up from the all-time lows way back down here, and we are up 18,800%, and that's over 9 years. This crypto has been around for 9 years, guys. Wow, it is one of the longest lasting crypto projects with a crazy gain like that over 9 years. Even if you spread that over 9 years, that's 2,000% gains per year. You literally 200x your money every single year if you bought Ripple right at the beginning of Ripple. Insane, guys. You can see its market cap dominance is currently sitting at 2.416%. So we're going to be talking a little bit about that through this video. Today, if you had to spend $100, you would get 196 Ripple. If you were to spend $1,000, which is pretty affordable for most people, not necessarily here in South Africa, because $1,000 actually converts into 20,000 Rand. And not a lot of people just have 20,000 Rand lying around. But if you do, and it's chump change, and you want to put your money in a place that you can invest it in, $1,000. Imagine making 18,800% gains over with your $1,000, guys. That'll convert that into $180,000. Would you like that? I'm pretty sure you would. So I want to go and show you a few other things. We all know what Ripple is. Ripple is a cross-border payment settlement in seconds, not days. It basically alleviates or eliminates the need for SWIFT and SWIFT payments, which means that institutions and banks would rely on Ripple to be that intermediary rather than SWIFT, as the payment settles in seconds rather than in days. And I must say, I personally use XRP on a daily basis exactly for that, because I can buy Ripple with very low fees. It costs something like 0.0001 Ripple, which is like, I don't know, it's microcents, guys, per transaction. And that's regardless of the amount, which is very interesting. So You can expand your reach and accelerate your payments in business because you can use this through business. And if we took on this payment, this would be incredible. So here is Peter Cook, the CEO of Novati. Ripple enables us to create a faster settling transaction. Our business-to-business customers are able to get more surety and speed on transactions for their clients. So you guys know what Ripple is. I'm not going to watch that video for you, but you can free up working capital. You can offer the lowest cost payments. You can enable faster payments, and you can expand into new markets that you never touched before. So how does Ripple cross-border payment solution work? So this is, as an example, us. We're sending dollars which are transferred into Ripple, and the receiving institution gets it in their currency. Okay, so it's converted using Ripple, and that's in a very, very affordable transaction. And you can send it to your beneficiaries, your card, your business, or your personal self, or your family members. Very, very easy, guys. Now, the Richard Ambrose, CEO of Azimo, Ripple's solution has highly significantly reduced the cost and delivery time for cross-border transfers, and our customers are seeing the benefits. So you can get the best class global payouts in these countries. Go have a look at it. It's incredible, guys. If you don't believe XRP is definitely one of the biggest networks on this planet, then I don't know what you guys got going on there, because Ripple is huge with a market cap currently of $27 billion and its all-time high market cap of $130 billion. You best be sure this project is here to stay, especially after being here for 9 years. So our mission is to build breakthrough crypto solutions for a world without economic borders. So we know Ripple has a side chain project called Libra, and Libra basically helps the platform with NFTs and onboarding NFTs and that kind of sector of crypto. So XRP, this was the announcement made on June 13. XRP is not a security. The victory for Ripple is a win for the entire industry and a step toward regulatory clarity in the US. A huge thank you to Brad Garlinghouse as one of the CEOs, Chris Larson is also one of the CEOs, and S. Alderadi for their leadership in the XRP community for their continued support. So huge, huge, huge incredible opportunities here in the crypto space, guys. Do not miss out on the opportunity to invest in crypto in Ripple. If you want to invest in Ripple with me, hit my Bitflex link down below, pinned in the comment of this video. You guys will trade this cryptocurrency with me. I'm personally in a trade on Bitflex and on Bybit, and I am ready to make some good cash here with you guys. So I hope you guys are too. Big money coming into the space. So I want to go and have a look at my Bliss bubbles today, because XRP is on my Bliss bubble. Let's go and see if I can see it anywhere. There you go. So XRP over here. Not much action happening in it today, right? Really not much action. So, okay, not a problem there. Now, is there any news in this? Well, not much news happening here. You can see for September 14, XRP and Solana lead slight crypto majors recovery after FTX sell-off fears. Same stuff. XRP gives up all the gains made after the Ripple Labs SEC victory, which is pretty interesting that happened, I must say. Here's the craziest bit of news, guys. If you didn't think that there were whales and sharks accumulating Ripple, I don't know what you guys are doing. Let me know if you have Ripple down in the comments below. I want to know from you if you have Ripple, please. I have stacked my bags on Ripple. I have a very large bag on Celsius. I don't know if I'll ever get it back, but if I do, that would be incredible. And I have accumulated a very, very large bag on Binance as well of Ripple, because I do see the project. And guys, just like Ripple, and I'm just going to say to you, I believe in these cryptocurrencies. And yes, for the long term, they're incredible. But I'm not going to buy here, wait for it to pump, and sell it here. I'm going to buy here, and I'm going to sell it here. And then I'll use that profit to buy back here and sell it here. The same thing, guys. I'm not going to hold on to it and take the dump and be the last one left holding the bags. So Ripple's XRP sees super bullish whale activity amid milestone highs in transaction volume. So you guys can see from sentiment, XRP is seeing major, and we'll get onto sentiment now. So shout out to sentiment, please. XRP is seeing major utility spikes to start the month, in addition to today's milestone highs in on-chain transaction volume, $4.8 billion XRP and circulating 2 billion XRP. The development activity for the fifth largest crypto asset is big up as well. And if you go ahead and look at this chart that they put here, you guys can see that this chart is basically, let's click on it so that you guys can get a good look at it. So XRP opened September with 7-month high on-chain data volume, 3-month high circulation, and dev activity spike. So the red block is highest XRP on-chain transaction volume since February 1st. Boom. Okay. Highest XRP, the orange is highest XRP unique tokens being moved since May 31st. So lots and lots of people are in XRP right now, and they're holding their XRP. So thanks to Sentiment for that incredible article there. I really do appreciate it. Here's another one that I wanted to go and share with you, because Sentiment, so Sentiment Feed are basically, what they're doing is they new and free RIP XRPL or Ledger or Libra metrics are now available on Sentiment Feed. We are proud to be one of the most comprehensive data sources in the world for XRP and XRPL. XRPL's Libra, including several key on-chain social and development-related metrics that are used by Sentiment and Ripple. Sentiment's new XRP Ledger metrics provide new groundbreaking transparency on free, and of course, guys, guess what? They're free. Check out this. So huge sentiment coming here for these. I hope you guys are enjoying this so far, because there's not much else news, but let's go and have a very quick look at the chart before we get into the juicy part of the video, where we look at a possible price prediction in the next bull cycle for Ripple. So we all know, okay, on the high, and I'm just looking at this on the 3-day, please guys, we all know that there was the major spike, and since then that was a resistance level. We have had this resistance level here, and guess what? We pumped up, we fell back down. We pumped up there, fell back down. And now we pumped up here and we fell back down, guys. We are building that strong momentum to the upside. And I need to be very, very, very clear with you guys that these lows here, okay, continue to get higher and higher and higher and higher. Which for me, with the RSI doing this right now, basically reset and breaking out to the top side, tells me that XRP is looking a lot more bullish than what we believe. So it doesn't matter the little death cross here, whoop-de-doo. It had a little death cross there, and guess what? It fell here. But this actually looks as though we're about to really have some serious. I mean, it had a double death cross here, guys. I don't know if you guys can see that. One death cross and another death cross here. That's alrighty. Oh, sorry, this is a golden cross. My bad. That's my bad. My apologies. So you guys can see here that what we've done, and what I drew for you guys, was at this point, this didn't even happen. We were forming an inverse head and shoulders pattern. So head, shoulder, shoulder. Okay. So we made that crazy pump, and essentially the target would have been at the top of this level. Well, actually it would have been over here, somewhere over here. But you can see that we broke back, and we literally came back to this exact support level. Now that is a little bit crazy, because what I have to show you is that's the support level, essentially the next support level. But right now we're trapped between the 50 moving average here and the 200 moving average over there. So as you can see, this candle didn't engulf, but we are pushing up. The volume spikes are increasing. So we really need to get back up above this level here once again, which is call it the 52-cent level. We need to get back up above that level. What I see happening here is probably, because there's a lot of resistance here, is something like this before a major pump here, perhaps a retracement, and then a punch up here, some sort of pullback, consolidation, and then maybe eventually we make some sort of pump up, pull back, pump up, get past that $1 level. As you guys can see, this $1 level has been a crazy level for Ripple to get up to, and you can see that during the SEC when they won the case against the SEC, we didn't actually get above that level. We went to like 93 cents odd. So guys, it is on its way. And if you don't believe that Ripple is getting bigger, well, I mean, that article says it all, right? The whales are accumulating Bitcoin. Do not miss out on the opportunity to get, sorry, on Ripple, not Bitcoin. Yes, because I do so many Bitcoin videos for you guys. So make sure to subscribe to the channel, please. That would be much appreciated. And give the video a thumbs up. Okay, guys, now to get to the fun part of this video. So Ripple, and we're doing this against the market cap in USDT. And basically what I said is that we would invest $1,000 because it's pretty affordable. So you would get around 2,000 XRP. My personal scenario price is $10 for Ripple. Okay, I think it will hit the $10 mark. That will take it up to a $531.7 billion market cap. Could it do that? Possibility. And that's if the circulating supply still remained the same. That would give us a return on investment of 1,867% or a 20x multiplier. So not bad considering it's one of the top 5 altcoins here. What do you guys think about that price prediction down below? Let me know your thoughts. So I want to go and bring you here to these numbers now. So market cap dominance, right? So if we had to take the instance of, I personally said that crypto in the next bull cycle could hit between 10 and 12 trillion dollar market cap, but let's leave it at a 7 to 10 trillion dollar market cap for now. Let's be a little bit more modest and humble in our lives, because that's what crypto trading is all about, is humble modesty for making great profits like this. So if we had to take $7 trillion and times it by the current market cap dominance of 2.416%, you can see that there, that'll give us $169 billion market cap. Now, we all know that the all-time high on this market cap was 132 billion, so it's like 30 billion more. So it would take us pretty much up to the all-time high, maybe just a little bit under the all-time high. So if we were, as an example, to get to the $10 trillion market cap and the dominance remained the same, that would probably take us to about a $241 billion market cap, which is about $100 billion more than what the previous all-time high market cap was, which would probably give us between a $6 and $7 XRP price. Okay, so that is very, very interesting, right? Because I'm talking about a $10 Ripple price when I'm speaking here, which, you know, if we looked at that and we were to say, okay, well, I've previously spoken about, and I'm just talking about the next bull cycle. I'm not even talking about long-term holdings, but like I said to you guys, I wouldn't want to hold long-term this cryptocurrency, because this cryptocurrency is going to be used to exchange and pay and do those kinds of things, whereas Bitcoin is a store of value. So Bitcoin's price looks very different to this. Bitcoin's price doesn't spike and then drop back down to on its ass like this. Bitcoin's price is pretty standard. It goes up a little bit, pull back, up a little bit, pull back, that kind of scenario, whereas this literally jumps up, falls on its ass, jumps up, falls on it, and keeps doing the same thing over and over and over. But I have to say to you, once it breaks out of this downsloping triangle that I drew here for us, okay, this larger time frame, guys, just that on its own from where we currently are is a crazy 567% gain, which is nearly a 6x on your money. So pretty decent, right? So if you invested $1,000, you'll have about $6,000 when it hits this little peak here. Now, I think it personally can go a lot higher. I said that it can go to the $10, as I keep saying to you guys. So if we were to hit the $10 price, that would look like as I said, nearly a 2,000% gain, as this document says here. So if you guys enjoyed that, and if you think Ripple can hit a $10 price, and if you own Ripple bags, let me know down in the comments, hashtag Ripple, please, or XRP, hashtag XRP. XRP Army, shout out to all of you, benevolent blessings. Thanks for being here with me. Make sure to hit my link pinned down in the comment, as well as in the description of this video, to go ahead and trade Ripple or XRP with me, please. Let's go and do this. Let's have some fun, guys. Much love, and we'll see you on the next one, beautiful souls.